Hi Libra, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love reading for you for the month of August. So Libra, these are general collective readings, okay? So will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin here. The World. One card really wanted to show face, which is the World. So are you ending a chapter, Libra, or starting a fresh new one? Let's leave this card here and see if it's going to resonate with the rest of your reading. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. And we're good to go, Libra. Thank you all my subscribers. The channel is young, healthy and growing every day thanks to all the love that you bring to it, your comments, likes, shares. What can I say? I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we're a little Omkara family. We meet here once a week for love readings, you and yours, monthly, bi-monthlies. So do subscribe to the channel, join us. We welcome you here. With that said, Libra, and yes, of course, newbies, let me explain this. 2 sets of cards, one for you, one for your partner, and your mutual energy is in the center. And bottom of the deck, we have the 6 of Wands. So what's this all about? Let's see. So one side for you, one side for your partner. I'll be referring them as person A and person B. Please feel free to flip the energy or decide which side you resonate best with. So let's begin here. 7 of Pentacles, great. Page of Wands, the Chariot, 10 of Wands, 7 of Swords, and the 2 of Pentacles. For your partner, I have the 4 of Cups, Ace of Cups, 3 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, the 5 of Wands and the Knight of Swords. All right. So here is one person, Libra, on person A. I don't know whether this is you or this is you, Libra. I think this is your partner. So they are kind of they've been going in their mind and thinking of what kind of investment has really gone into this relationship till now, right? They are, I think, very guarded at the moment. They're very, very guarded at the moment. They have been evaluating this relationship to see who did what and what, like where is our relationship now? What is the investment that has been put into this relationship? And they're being very guarded and not kind of. Normally this is a card if somebody wanted to fight another day or still holding on, but from what I see here, they kind of they've been come out of a lot of. It's like a person coming out of a war zone. The head is bandaged and they're just standing there protecting themselves, because I don't see them accepting any offers of love or anything like that. They seem very sad and very depressed. And the best part, Libra, here is your the first card here is this, and on your partner side also the first card is the 4 of Cups. So I think both of you, Libra, are sitting depressed, sad, really upset, not feeling happy at all without the other person, yet not giving or accepting any offers of love. Even though one person really wants to take action, right? Well, this King of Wands is a person who's like a go-getter. He wants to get on with it, but somehow this is the energy. Page of Wands in reverse. Even though they want to move ahead, they are just not being able to, maybe have a conversation, or they want to send a message. They are unable to either send a message, or they are feeling sad and depressed because they're not getting a message and things have come to a total stagnant halt, right? Screeching halt. There's no movement here at all, Libra, on this side. So yes, so somebody does want to take action though. Yeah, They want to take action, they want to have communication, they want to, pick up their horses and get on this chariot and rush towards the other person. But there's always a but, right? Even though they are wanting this fresh new beginning, a fresh start with their partner, they are right now in this mode, self-imposed prison, right? Totally stressed out. It's like they have this blindfold on their eyes and swords around them, but nobody's holding them back, Libra. Whether this is you or your cross watcher, nobody's holding this person back. I mean, they can walk out. There's a clear path in front of her. They can walk out whenever they want, but they are so stressed out and so, scared. Because of this, they have, like this Ten of Wands energy. Feeling very overburdened, feeling very stressed out, feeling like nothing is going according to plan. And they feel that somebody sneaked out on them, somebody left them in the lurch maybe, did something sneaky, and they're thinking maybe it's time now to just drop this all together. No point even waiting for person 2, because person 2 is just not showing any interest. Let's take a card for the Seven of Swords. Yeah. They feel that the other person doesn't love them at all. Okay, all the love is lost now. This person has stopped loving them and has left their life, and no longer interested in having anything fresh or new with them. And they're trying very hard to now, tap into their spirituality, maybe go within, shed light to all the problems that happened in this relationship. So Spirit, what is this Two of Pentacles in reverse? Somebody's dropping this equation altogether, Libra, because they feel that somebody was a little flighty. They came in and out of their life, and they were a player, and they had too many options, and it's no point waiting for somebody to come into their life who's going to do the same thing again to them, right? So this person is in that mode. Let's see the other person. The other person, Libra, is also in the same mode, mirroring, okay? They're also sitting depressed. They are also feeling sad. They are regretting whatever has happened maybe in the past, and not accepting or giving any offers, even though I see both of you. Yeah, both of you are probably getting offers. So you see the cups being offered here? The 3 cups here and the 4th coming straight from the hand of God. But this person is just sitting with his head bent and not looking at anything. And this person is in the exact same energy with this card. See? Same energy. So both sitting sad. But the person here on the right side, person B, is still kind of stalking person A. Still kind of trying to keep a watch to see maybe there's a text from them, or maybe they've posted something on social media which can connect to our situation, or maybe are they with somebody? Let me check up and see, where they are, how they are, and maybe they're not getting any information at the moment, and that is making them even sadder. Right? They're not getting any clear indication as to what is happening here. This person B, I think is the masculine energy probably, has a lot of love for this Empress. They really think that this person who is in their eyes, the pre-Empress and now the Empress, person who's independent, who's doing very well, takes care of herself and her world. They think very highly of this person, and they admire the feminine a lot. They have like this overpouring love for this person A. Yet they are feeling really unhappy. They're feeling unhappy. They're feeling there is no way I can have a reconciliation with this person. Maybe there were third parties in the past which led to this breakup or whatever, but they are feeling like there is no way that I can ever have long-term stability with this person, or have a reunion with this person. This is what they want. This is what person B wants. They want to go back to this Empress and offer them this, but they're not sure how to get it. Right? They don't know how to go into reconciliation with them. They view person A as their star. their shining star, who their wish fulfillment, their Empress, their Nine of Pentacles, their Ten of Pentacles, and their star. My God, they really want to heal the situation and move forward to calmer waters. Things have been very rocky lately, and they are wishing upon a star that they can manifest this person back in their lives, so they can have some kind of forward movement and achieve this Ten of Pentacles with them. But I think, Libra, there's been a lot of stress and tension and fighting in this relationship in the past. Yeah, they're hoping that person A will now stop being guarded and be a little more accepting of them and not be that tight and not being so guarded against them. There's been a lot of fighting here between the two of you. There's been a lot of fighting, and there's been some harsh words, I think, also been exchanged, maybe in the past, regarding this third party situation, right? The one person has been a little flighty, one person has been a little rash, thinking, I can get away with anything I do or anything I say, and that led to this fight happening. And things have really broken down now, big time. And now both are depressed. Both are thinking. Same cards. Look at you people mirroring each other. Seven of Pentacles to the Seven of Pentacles. Both analyzing, right? What went wrong? How much investment was put in this relationship? Who did wrong? Who did right? Whether there is any chance of reconciliation or not. I mean, both of you are now in this place. And yet, I think both of you want victory as well. Right? You both want some kind of victory in this relationship, or maybe pride and ego is now coming in the middle, and that's why you are not being able to reach out to each other, right? Your ego and pride is kind of making you turn your back on the other person, even though the love is there, especially from person B's side. I think this is the masculine here. Person B is like feeling like an idiot right now, because they've lost the best thing that's ever happened to them. They see this person as a star, their wish fulfillment, their Ten of Pentacles. I'm not going to repeat myself because you'll get bored, but you get the gist of it, right? And they are desperate now to end whatever happened in the past and start something fresh and new. So now let's see what's coming up in your mutual energy. Queen of Pentacles, okay. The Empress again. Oh, wow. And the Star again. Oh my God, I don't believe these cards. Okay, so we had the Empress, we had the Star, and we had the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, this is how this person views their feminine, right? Now, in your mutual energies, I have the Queen of Pentacles, which is the perfect wife, the perfect partner, and whatever. Then in center of the deck, we have the Empress, and we have the Star again. So now let's clarify to see why are these in your mutual energy. Spirit, why is the Queen of Pentacles in the mutual energy of Libra and their person? Okay, so the masculine is wanting to come and be victorious over this perfect Queen of Pentacles. She's that woman who's like the perfect spouse, right? Who's a perfect woman, nurturing, caring, loving. And if this is in your mutual energy, Libra, I also can interpret it in the way that even though the masculine is wanting to be victorious and have her, the feminine here is trying to work on her own abundance here, right? She is trying to be victorious on her own, where she can be stable and not have to rely, because I think she's been very hurt in the past. She's been extremely hurt in the past, the way this masculine maybe brought in third parties or whatever, and she no longer wants to deal with, being dependent. And I think this being in your mutual energy is a great thing, Libra. I think both of you are now coming to a place where you want to release this fight. Okay, so the Six of Pentacles is a great, Six of Wands is a great card which has come out twice now, which means yes, victory over conflict. Okay, and the Empress right in the center of your spread also represents growth. Okay, abundance, growth of all kinds. So that's excellent. Let's take a clarifier for that. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay. Now, Libra, even though you both know that this is your wish fulfillment and this is going to give you growth, there is still a lot of stress and tension in this situation, right? I don't think an apology or a love offer is being accepted that easily by this Empress right now. She knows her worth now, right? She knows that what she is. The masculine sees it as well. The feminine knows it, that she is now in a place where she can command, not demand. She doesn't need to demand anymore because now she is the Empress herself, right? So right now, I don't think the masculine is having the courage to come and offer her any love here. And this is, I think, stressing both of you out. Both of you are sitting here stressed because as much as the Empress has now become the Empress, I mean, love even she wants, right? And she's been waiting for it for a long time. But we do have the third card as the Star, which is the full wish fulfillment. Let's see why this is in your mutual energy. Okay. Yep, both know this is the best thing that's happened to both of you, Libra. But somehow there is resistance, right? Because both of you are right now feeling very burdened by the thought, of this commitment. I think earlier the masculine didn't want to give commitment, and now the Empress has found her worth, and she's not very sure whether she wants to give commitment, right? So she's kind of being a bit defensive here, and this is now leading to another kind of stress and worry, right? Both though know that this just is, right? So yeah, so August is going to be a push and pull month, Libra. Oh yeah, the both wanting it, both trying. The feminine is still a bit guarded, masculine is still a bit afraid, but both know this is your wish fulfillment and wanting to grow together. Let's take an angel blessing card. Libra, if you're the masculine, Spirit says, practice makes perfect. Don't give up. I mean, you've heard this feminine a lot of times, right? And don't just give up in one try trying to make up either. Okay? Try. Keep trying because she knows it, you know it, you both know it. You will be victorious. There will be victory. Don't give up that soon. Yeah, soon you'll come to a place of peace. Peace is coming soon to this relationship, and there will be a lot of happiness to be found. You both will be victorious. The victory card came out twice for both of you, right? Just don't give up. You have to now chase her a little bit. She is the Empress, for God's sake, right? So it's her turn. You have to woo her now. This is a very beautiful relationship, Libra. So use your free will, of course. If you have too much pride and ego, it's up to you. But if you know you've got a good thing going, just don't let it go. If you're the masculine. And feminine, okay, play the runner for a little while. You deserve it. But hear this masculine out, okay? They are really missing you too. They love you too, okay? So see you next week. Till there, love and light. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Namaste.